Drowning in a sea of tasks and deadlines, let's cut through the project management chaos and find the right tool for your team. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of two powerhouses Scoro and Monday.com, examining their features, pricing, customization, and integrations to help you decide which platform reigns supreme for your organization's unique needs. First up, Scoro. Think of it as your all-in-one business management suite. Scoro excels at combining project management with CRM, sales, and billing functionalities, making it a strong contender for agencies and professional services. Key features include robust project planning with Gantt charts, detailed time tracking for accurate billing, CRM capabilities to manage client relationships, and comprehensive financial reporting to keep your business on track. Now, let's turn our attention to Monday.com. Known for its highly visual and adaptable interface, Monday.com is a versatile work management platform that caters to a wide range of industries and team sizes. Monday.com shines with its customizable boards, allowing you to create workflows for virtually any process, powerful automation to streamline repetitive tasks, and seamless integrations with other popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and more. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer various plans to suit different budgets and needs. Scoro tends to be more focused on per-user pricing, while Monday.com has usage limits based on number of people. Carefully compare the features included in each plan to determine the best value for your team. Customization is key. Monday.com takes the lead with its highly flexible board layouts and drag-and-drop interface. Scoro, while offering customization options, is generally more structured in its approach. Integration capabilities are crucial. Both Scoro and Monday.com integrate with a wide range of third-party apps. Make sure the platform you choose plays well with the tools your team already uses. So, which platform is right for you? If you need a comprehensive business management suite with strong CRM and billing features, Scoro is worth serious consideration. If you prioritize visual workflows, flexibility, and ease of use, Monday.com is a great option. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more project management tips, and let us know in the comments which platform you prefer.